That's the first pull up.
All that for a book.
See, she'll do it again. See, she'll go from her butt again up.
Whoa. Whoa.
She cut herself.
Oh, good night, moon.
She's shaking her butt. She's doing the booty dance.
Now what are you gonna do? Are you gonna read the book standing up? Oh, we're gonna eat it.